Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I said I was going to record the process of cutting and sewing this dress, and I was able to do it. And this is the pattern paper, and if you need the pattern paper on how to draw pattern for this dress, you can let me know. This is it after I finished cutting it. So this is what it looks like. So here I have torn it with the lining, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and use this ring to hold it together, and then this is it. This is the up and the down part. This is just the front part. So I've not yet worked on the back, and this is exactly what it looks like. As you guys can see, this is beautiful already. So you guys, when you want to size a cloth for somebody that is busty, what do you do if you don't have a mannequin? So for me, I'll just go ahead and pack pieces, and then I'll put on my breast, and then I just look for a bralette, then tie it up, and then so that I can be able to size it. So this is the dress, and this is me trying to see how the front part will fit on the person. Like, the person is bigger than me. I think the person will be like size 12 or size, I don't know, but the measurement that the person sent to me is bigger than mine. So this is what it looks like. This is the front part, and this is how the back will look like. So, but I'm not done. This is not my size, so it's not actually going to give that fitting. And this is what the front will look like, so on the person. And this is not my size, so it will not really give that fitting. You guys, look what hard body can do. You guys, I hope you love this dress, and if you want me to drop a tutorial on how to draft and sew this dress, let me know in the comment section. This is me trying to sew. This particular part was stressful. My machine was not able to sew it, so I have to use pattern paper to like sew it. So you guys, here I am done with the front and the back. So what is left for me to do now is for me to put a slit. This dress has a slit, so this is what it looks like. So you guys, what do you say? What do you have to say about this dress? Is it a 10/10? Can you please write it for me in the comment section? Remember, this is not my size, and I still have to put a slit to the cloth. And this is how the back is open like this here. So when the person wear it, and you know that I use a fake bra to wear this, and I mean a fake breast to wear it, because it's not, I don't have breast. My breast is very small. My boss, I don't know what kind of breast I should call it. Sorry you guys, this is what it looks like, and this is the outcome, and I actually love it, and I am proud of myself, because making this dress was not easy for me. So I have to think outside the box, and you guys, this is the outcome. So if you want something like this, you want a beach dress, a beach outfit, can always contact me, because I am very good at what I do. So you can contact me to make a beach dress for you, because this is actually a beach dress. So I actually make a bikini pants for this dress, so I have already made a sewing on that. So you guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.